Hi traders, welcome back to another video of stocks chart trends. So in this particular video we will discuss about the futures, especially gold futures, crude oil futures, natural gas futures and silver futures. So as you can see I have did the analysis of SPY. If you want to see, you can see in my previous video I did today only. So I will attach the link to this video also if you want to see that. So even I had did analysis of AMD, SPC, DKNG and Boeing also. So you can see that video for that analysis. So in this particular video, let's start with gold first. So if you see gold, like I have drawn it this trend like from last week. So as part of gold just went up. So the thing is I'm still seeing some continuation towards like 2000 zone. I don't know why, like, but if you see on weekly, uh, it just broke that area. So I'm still hoping that that trend will continue at least for weekly. So that's why I'm hoping like we may see that right to $2,000 in the futures of gold. If it doesn't happen, if it break down, so then we can see this area of resistance like 1837, or lower this one we can see 1824 if it break this one also. So we can see this area like 1792. But let's see if what will happen next week. But hoping for good. Let's see for silver now, silver futures, what's going on. So on weekly I don't see anything else. Let's see on daily. So on daily like it still looks bullish for me if this like the triangle breaks upward at this point like 23 area. So we may see right towards the first resistance like 23.67 and down. If it broke down to 22.62, we may see first support at 22.45, then this point 21.70. So we have to see those key areas. And if in the upward trend, if it break that all-time high, so what else we can see? Let's see as the next targets. So we have to look for this area like 161.8%, which is at 24.47. If it breaks this area, then we have to see 25.72. But let's see if it breaks this area like 23 something, which I told 23 18. So now let's discuss about natural gas. So what's going on natural gas here? So as you can see, like the diagram here is you may not able to understand what I have drawn here. So main factors why I have drawn this area. So this is the first line, which is like downtrend, downtrend 1, downtrend 2, and it break down this downtrend and then it make this line as a downtrend. So I have made this line as another downtrend. And if we see this the white line, which is like dotted line, this is the previous upper trend. So this week it just did like it took the previous like downtrend line as a support, and it went up and now it's in uptrend. So now we have to see some areas. First of all, if try to came down, so then we have to see 1.72 6. Then if it goes up, like it, if it continues the rally, then we have to see this point 1.94 6. So if even in sport, if it break this sport area, then we have to see this point like 1.612. So those are the key areas for the next week, or maybe next day, Monday. We have to look for those areas. So what about the crude oil? Man, crude oil is stuck in between like 40s and 43 from so many days. If we can see here, it just that is just going up, then down, up, down, up, down. Like it's just continuing around this area, like 41 zone. So the what will happen, like if it breaks upper than this area, like 43 range, it has to break this range like 43.12 resistance, then it may go up towards that 50 45 or 50 area. But if it break down this area around this point 39.26, then we may see the other sports which will be active like 37.26, then this area 34.73. So those are the key levels, maybe for the next week, or especially for Monday we have to look. So this is I think I covered gold, silver, natural gas and crude oil. uh, Please like, subscribe my channel. Even I have mentioned my link for my Twitter. I usually post random like whenever I'm doing trading, and sometimes I just put my post over there, so you can see on time what I'm doing at that time. So you can see some insights why I get into some of the trades. And usually I do the stocks, but somehow my one of my friend is doing futures, so sometimes I help him so, uh, with those kind of scenarios, so he can get some judgment from my side. So please like and subscribe, please like my videos, subscribe my channel and share my videos, so I can get more confidence and I continue to make more videos, maybe every day, especially on weekends. I'm thinking to make 2, 3 or 4 videos, especially on the weekends, so I can cover more and more stocks. As in one particular video I have only 15 minutes, so I can't make it long. I don't know, like somehow YouTube is throwing error if video is getting more than 15 minutes. Please let me know if you have any suggestions for that also. Yeah, maybe sooner or later I may go live if I have proper audiences. So that's why I'm looking for more and more subscribers. So if I get more subscribers, so I may start doing live sessions, so I can get your questions, and we can together we can do analysis on the stocks. And sometimes you may have better suggestions, so please mention them in comments. So thank you very much. See you in the next video.